Hello everyone, this is Rishi Rishabh Jain and welcome to my channel Bhilwara CA Gurukul. We are in the middle of online mentoring program by Bhilwara CA Gurukul. Today is day 3, that is T minus 78. So only 78 days are pending. So I hope आपने day 2 का revision lecture देखा होगा and most probably कि आपने ये complete किया होगा. But अब let's see what we have to do today. Or if you have any queries regarding yesterday's like day 2 lecture or day 3 lecture, you can contact me personally. नीचे I have given all the description links. Okay, so without wasting time, your precious time, preparation time, okay, we will directly jump to the FR subject. Okay, so yesterday in day 2 I suggested you to study the 3 chapters: integrated reporting, CSR and analysis of financial statements. I hope you have completed that, and even if you have not completed that, it's okay, because today we are going to discuss about we are going to start Ind AS. Okay, so Ind AS is the most important thing, because like I think entire new syllabus of FR is revolves around Ind AS only. So let's start with Ind AS. Yesterday also I forgot to mention how we will be going to cover the entire FR subject, because I have done the same for audit and law, but I have not done for FR. So today first we will discuss shortly discuss about how we will proceed with the subject FR. Okay, so firstly let's start with that. I told you na, we will be studying in 6 sections. Section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In that, firstly we will cover section 7, which we have already covered in in yesterday's lecture. Today we will start with section number 3, and then we will go on for section number 4, and then we will complete section number 7. So 7, 3, 4 and 1, this we will finish first, and then we will finish 2, 5 and 6 in no particular order. Okay, so this is second and this is first. So now talking about this first thing now, we know we have discussed all the topics. Okay, what I wanted to tell you is कि we are going to start with Ind AS, so of section number 3. Okay, so this is section number 3. Now we are going to start with section number 3. So it has almost 11 Ind AS: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, it has 11 Ind AS. So I think inventories is okay, easy. Borrowing cost is easy. Intangibles, investment property, non-current asset held for sale is easy. Employee benefits is okay. I won't say it is easy, but provisions is easy. Agriculture assets is easy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 AS are easy. PP is also easy. So 8 is easy. We will be investing much time in leases, okay, and then in impairment, and then employee benefits. Okay, so 8 plus 3, 11. So first we will cover these 8 topics. Okay, so start with okay, I will change the pen. So we will first start with Ind AS PPE, this first, and borrowing cost second. Okay, now how to study? Yeah, I didn't tell you how to study na, from where to study basically. Okay, so today we will talk about from where to study. I suggest you, if you have your own handwritten notes prepared, or if you are already referring some teachers, some professors lectures, or some professors notebook or book, so you can carry on with that. I just wanted to ensure that key if you are studying inventory chapter na, inventory, Ind AS of inventory, Ind AS 2, then you should like be prepared well to revise the entire Ind AS in less than 2 hours. Okay, this is the maximum time we can give. In less than 2 hours we have to revise that. Okay, so I personally refer Chiranjeev Jain's lectures on handwritten notes and the book. Okay, so if you don't have the book, you can ask me for Chiranjeev Jain's book, and it has roughly like for Ind AS 2, that is inventory, it has roughly 5 pages. For Ind AS of PPE, that is I think 16 na. For Ind AS 16 it has 13 pages, so which can be revised in less than 5 hours. And this is what okay, these are the hours which Chiranjeev Jain sir in his book has written, that how many hours it will take. And then I'll suggest you to get a good question bank. Okay, so this is the book from where we will be studying the study matter, and this is question bank. Okay, this is question bank. So Ravi Agarwal question bank, I find it quite good, because he has not taken any other questions except it has what I'll tell you. It has one ICI math questions, study math questions. Okay, and then it has RTP questions, then it has past exam questions. Okay, and then it has MTB questions. So this is the most precise thing which we have to study for every subject and every topic, I must say. Like you don't have to go very far from this. If you have done all these 1, 2, 3 and 4 type of questions, your preparation is well good enough. So what we have to do is we have to study from Chiranjeev Jain's book. I'll suggest you this. Except for Chiranjeev Jain, you can go for another book also. It's up to you. I'll suggest you Chiranjeev Jain's book. And question bank, you can take any question bank. Like in Ravi Agarwal's question bank, there are around 7 questions, and in PPE chapter it has 14 questions, and in this we have 7 questions. So roughly we will take it will take around 3 to 4 hours for all these 3 topics. Okay, with questions. So this is the total hour. This is 4 plus 7.5 plus 4.5, 5, 4, 9 to 7, 16 hours as per this teacher's notebook. But as per me, this topic inventory will take 2 hours. This PPE Ind AS will take 3 hours, and this borrowing cost Ind AS will take 2 hours. So I think ideally we should start with these 3 Ind AS only. Okay, so we will start with inventories, PPE and borrowing cost. What we will do is if you want to watch revision lectures, you can watch, but I don't think these are too easy in days to watch revision lectures. Okay, so what we will do, I have made you today's plan. Okay, yesterday's plan I didn't make. Yes, so today's plan I have made. What we will do, this is slot number 1 of 14th August, which we have already completed. Okay, and if not completed, then we will discuss it again. Coming to slot number 2, that is 15th of August, we will study Ind AS 2 inventories for 2 hours, PPE for 3 hours and borrowing cost for 2 hours. So overall in 7 hours we will complete this. Okay, the revision video I don't think you have to watch in that, so this slot is completed. So in 7 hours, today's 7 hours, we have to watch what we have to watch. We have to complete Ind AS 2, 16 and 23. These are the easy Ind AS we have to start with. Okay, so what we have to do, we will read the text and we will practice questions around 5 to 10 questions, not more than that, because we have to cover only ICI study mat questions, past question exam questions and RTP and MTP. Okay, getting my point? Now getting to audit, basically the other okay, this is yesterday's planning. Audit, I told you now, we have already started audit with company audit. Okay, hopefully company audit chapter is almost completed. If not, we will again take it up, no issues. But now we will start with audit reports chapter and SA 700 series. Okay, now it will take around, this audit reports chapter will take around 1 hour and it has questions, so it will take questions around 3 to 4 hours. This is this was of 14th August and this is of 15th August. Okay, I updated it somewhere, I forgot to complete it. So we will study chapter number 6 audit report in 1 hour quickly. Before that we will start with essays 700. It series, it has 6 essays: 700, 701, 705, 6, 20 and 710, I guess, or 700, yeah, 710 and 720. This is revised one, I guess. Okay, so these, it has 6 Ind AS, so we have to study these Ind AS. Okay, we will take roughly around half an hour for one Ind AS, so that will take around 5 to 6 Ind AS we will cover in almost 2 to 3 hours. Okay, if you don't want to revise this lecture of yesterday's, it's okay. If you don't want to watch this lecture of SA 700 series, that is also fine. So you have almost all 5 hours for these two topics. Okay, so firstly we will cover this. Try to study in the standards on auditing on a conceptual basis. Okay, try to understand what we want to actually report in audit report. Okay, not just like what we have to learn and revise. It is like how we will form our opinion and whether we are able to form our opinion or not, because you are going to sign, like your sign matters a lot. Okay, so if you are going to sign, you should have a base, you should have an opinion, like backed with some facts, figures, understanding. You getting my point? So understanding, so study this on a conceptual basis. Okay, and what else I wanted to tell you for today? Slot I have already told you. Yes, total time taken for one more thing I forgot to tell you. Total time will be around 100 hours now. So we have almost 100 hours. So as per Chiranjeevi Jain's sir revision, it will take around section 1 will take around 10 hours, but we won't give these Ind AS like Ind AS 1, 7, 8, 10, 34, 113. So we will roughly, like, these are like almost half an hour's Ind AS only. Each Ind AS will not take more than half an hour. So 2 hours for these Ind AS, and cash flow we don't even read it. So like around 5 hours we will complete all these Ind AS. This is revenue recognition, we will talk about it later. This section 3 now, it is around 30 hours section. So 30 hours, how we will going to divide? So first slot will be of these 3 Ind AS. Okay, so we will have 6 5 7 are 35, so 7. Okay, so we will have around 4 slots. So one slot we have taken this. Now we have covered 2, 16, 23. Another slot will be of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you have one major topic with this. Then you will have impairment, investment property, one with this, and one slot for this. Okay, so this is basically 4 slots, or 1, 2, 3 and 4 slots. We will study this entire section number 3, sorry. Okay, so this is like my calculation. We will take not more than around 4 to 5. Okay, this is the standard given by the Ravi Agarwal, so you have to follow that and standard only, and if not, you can opt for your own like question bank and your own study notes. This will be the standard which we will follow, which we will follow for today's subject. Okay, now, okay, one more thing I just wanted to tell you. This is the slot. I'll send you forward you the slots. Okay, slot 3 and 4 I have already made. I have not just incorporated here. So I will make the slot and send you the Excel file. Those who want to have this Excel file, you can have my Excel file. One sincere request, if you are following this online mentoring program, then please drop a message or mail to me so that I can know that you are actually following it. And if you want to ensure that you are actually like achieving the results now, so I can keep a track on you, and that is what online mentoring program is all about. Okay, Video lectures here on YouTube are absolutely free, and personal guidance for November 2020 exams are also free. So you can contact me personally. I think November 2020 exams are quite a performance oriented for you, because I think because you were not able to appear for May or June or July attempt. Okay, so all 3 main months are included in the so I think there will be like around 15% extra students in November 2020 exam. So that's why like you have to at least give your 150% to be able to fall in the category of passing percentage, that is 15 to 20% pass percentage. Okay, genuinely speaking, the passing percentage of CA students is not 15 or 20% or 10%, whatever they say. It is around 50%. Sir, how? I'll clarify how. Because like around CFNS students now, around 1.25 lakh students appear for every attempt. Okay, you know that fact, right? So apart out of that, around 10 to 15,000 students are qualified to become a chartered accountant. Okay, so they qualify to become chartered accountant. They qualify both groups, either first or second, but they qualify in total, they become chartered accountant. Okay, so the result end product is they become a chartered accountant. So this is the result for both groups cleared. Like if they have cleared in one group in earlier attempt and now the other group is cleared, so they become a chartered accountant. So they are counted in that 15,000. Now what about the student who have cleared the first or second group, either of the group in this attempt? They are also counted in the pass percentage also, na? Even though they have not become a chartered accountant, but there will be this positive result category, na? In that positive result category, na, they will be falling in that, so they should also be counted in that. Secondly, third point, actually like around 1 lakh students, na, they just appear because they have to appear, out of family pressure, out of peer pressure. They don't have any way out, like they want to do business, they want to start practice and all, so they don't have any way out. So that's why they think that at least I'll get the degree and then I'll start whatever I want to do. So like around 1 lakh students give exams, appear for exam just because they have to. Only 20 to 30,000 students wholeheartedly appear for CA exams, and out of that 10 to 15,000 students become chartered accountant. So the passing percentage is above 50%, I must tell you. So you have to decide whether you want to be a serious candidate studying for CA final exams, or you want to fall in the 1 lakh category. It is up to you, the choice is yours. Okay, so now signing off, and before signing up, I just wanted to I want to request you that please subscribe to the channel and share this video to your friends. Okay, I won't say ki like the video or press the bell icon and all. Just inform your friend that someone named Rishi Rishabh Jain is mentoring CA final students. So whoever is in need, if you are not in need for entire mentoring program, I can guide you on a particular subject basis. For DT IDT law audit, I am like a specialist in DT IDT law audit, but practical subjects also I deal. So I have combined all the chapter subjects and I have started mentoring program. If you want a particular guide on particular subject or particular topic or particular area, or how to time manage, how to do time management, on how to prioritize your studies, or whether to appear for both groups, single groups, I solve all the doubts. I help CA final student my heart out, like I just help them because I feel good, so to guide people. So that's why I do this. So if you think anyone around you, anyone from your friend circle, any friend from your like a brother or sister needs any CA's guide, any CA mentoring helps, any CA mentors help, need a mentor, then please share my video with him, share my video with her. Okay, now signing off, Rishi Rishabh Jain.